IEEE Event Management Lead and Technical Co-Member. Today I am here to say a brief introduction about cloud computing. So I think everyone has heard about cloud computing, right? But the basic thing what cloud computing is, it provides us the computing services like what we use in our online generation. For example, it provides a space to store our data and store our applications and store our footage and everything that we want to be in a secured manner. For example, consider yourself as the owner of a company, and without this cloud computing, imagine the work that you have to do. You need a lot of employees and you need a lot of space to store the physical applications and all. And also you need a lot of strength and energy. For your services, the cloud computing is the solution, right? It stores all the applications when the online without having any trouble. And also, if you store them physically, we need a security, right? But who is more trustworthy in the today's generations? So here comes the cloud computing. It stores our data in a data security manner, and also with the less strength, it does a more effective work. And basically, cloud computing provides many services. For example, the online websites, where are these going? Yes, these are going to the cloud computing stories. They are providing us the online applications to apply to the universities, exams, interviews and everything. And this is also providing us the helping nature to provide the blood. Like we are noting the blood donors and everything in every online application of the blood sources. And coming to our usage, it provides in three ways: public, private and hybrid. Public means it's like a public transport. Wherever you are, everyone can store the data, like you and me, everyone. And private, here comes our daily used Google backups and everything. It's our private files, no one was able to see it, with a lot of security. And the hybrid one, which everyone involves, but it's a very complicated manner to store very secure the files. And now I'm ready to show you a very simple project which involves the cloud computing. Cloud computing helps us in many ways. In today's generation, it's very important too. It basically, we cannot have a day without cloud computing unless we are too healthy and true very effortful. So, can you be a person without using cloud computing? Like storing all your photos, all your works, all your applications in your large building. And who will be a security guard? And who will not be there to capture all of them? Yes, the cloud computing is very necessary in today's world. Now, what's cloud computing is happy to us, or what's it do to us? Simple. It provides us a very big space to store all our data. The final conclusion is that only. And now what I'm going to show is, all our data is definitely will be stored in some or the other way. For example, the mobile phone you are using, the number you are using, it also has some data, right? Not just the mobile number and SIM name. It also stores what place you are in it and what are you doing in it and all. But no one will be able to see until you give the permission, right? So, but now cloud computing stores some basic information. I'm using a small application or a small project regarding this to show you what data it will store and how it will be stored using a small code. Let us go and see it.
Hello everyone, here I am to show a simple project which is based on cloud computing. It basically stores the information, right? So why don't it store the phone numbers information, not the personal data, but the data that which the services need. So using this Python code, I'm going to show you a small data that has been stored in the cloud storage, and I'm going to know it. So the simple one is, I've stored a phone number in the test file which we used to run for our project. Now when we import phone numbers, it will import all the phone numbers list that the data it has. So next, the test file in which we have the number, we are importing the number. And from phone numbers, we are importing the geocoder. Now coming to this geocoder, this is used to know the location of the numbers that are stored in the phone numbers. We are creating a variable ch number, and In this variable, we are storing the location, and how to find the location of the number, we are passing this with the number that we want to know the location and the code that stores all the countries like CH, country history. It stores all the country history. And when we combine, we'll be able to know in which country that the number we have given is located. We have to print the country name, right? So print geocoder and the description for the number, and we are printing it in the English. So we use EN. Why EN means it will have the storage will be in different languages. So but we want to be in English. So we are in the description using English language. And this is completed with the location. Now when we want to know the service, the which mobile number it's using. So as the numbers are storing in the phone numbers, the services are storing in the carrier. It is storing all the services in the world. Again, we are taking a variable to know the service in which our test number is using. Now here that one is RO, which stores the services. We are printing the service number again in English. So I have given the test number, and also the project has been, the code has been ready. So let us now know the data that cloud storage has about the number that I have given. And now when I run it, let's see the output. Yes, it has given the country and the service. Yes, it's correct. Okay, let us change the number, right? Let's check whether it is running or not for other number. Yeah, it changed. The service has been changed, but the country remains same. Why? Because the code of the country remained the same, 91, as it is the country code of India. So using this, we can know the location and also the service that what the given number is using. Not just this simple one. We will be dealing with many other data we want taking from the cloud storage. Many websites are being made, and also many applications are being made using this type of data and this type of codes. That's why cloud storage is very helpful and cloud computing is most vital to us. Thank you so much.